Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakakat South Tarek mentau benai rempang arajar kat kendai. Ka National Health Mission Meghalaya, kelapan kodno ya ke jing rakhe, ya ke jing dap san senempura. Nadu bela pentrekam, ya ke Rashtriya Kishore Swasthya Karyakram campaign, kabalong kejelap syaki badang kesamla. Halor ki bebon ki mat ki bedai, bat kabha kamiat ke jongki, kamtam ke jing tay ya ke lawai, kum ke jing kiar na ke jing sniyo ki baharukom, ke jing kiar na ke jing shong kurem kena, ke jing penbuat tenang ya ke gom jongki wai, bat kum ta ter. Ya kini ke jing rakhe, ya kini ke jing dap san senam hak pelong ya kini ke campaign. Lasdang nadu kat South Tarek ubanai kelalingkot, mentahi usnam arjar kat kendai, bat hadian si benai lenter. Hakani ke sengi lapun kot no, da kita masa baper-per halorensan, ban kerengi ki samla, syakani ke lempung. Yakani ke program la pelong ringkat ke jintai lang bat ke District Health Society East Castles District. Bat hakani ke sengi, haswa ban pelong kita masa harensan. Kaladan syua ke jintai pun kot, ya ke Rashtriya Kishore Swasthya Karyakram campaign, ha Susutham Auditorium Shillong, ha ke balai dan ringkat ru, u Additional Chief Secretary ke Jela, u PW INTIS, u Balalong Kongsan ha ke Jelang. Ringkat ke jinon lang u Secretary Ketnat Health and Family Welfare, u Prabin Bakshi, u Director Jongkanihi Ketnat, u Dr. L.M. Pada, ke District Medical and Health Officer East Castles District, i Dr. M.R. Basaimon, ke Additional District Medical and Health Officer, i Dr. J.B. Rani, bat kiwi-kiwi.
We hope that they will have many more adolescent health counselors to take care of this. These are clinics where adolescents can go and get counseling services. Then we have also been informed about this special program of weekly iron and folic supplementation program. This is very important, I think. This is one area which 46.5% of our adolescent girls and 42% of our adolescent boys, they have been diagnosed with this problem. Also deworming. And this other system of having the peer educators is another very interesting feature and very meaningful, because we usually listen to our peers in any program. So if our peers come and we discuss it informally also, we get influenced by it, and we tend to take up some habits, some activities, which will be useful to us. So we hope that this will continue. A program of RPSK also strives to work on a convergence model between various wings of the health department, other departments, non-governmental organizations, and also involving ASHAs, ANNs, teachers, peer educators, youth clubs, schools, parents, etc. So I would like to congratulate all those who have been participating in the RPSK program in the state, and also to encourage them to continue the good work.
Siba ijonga antala punla kayanga amban sukin hapte kuma makawi bala ime tokal net pendiu le mangamapi sembrang kenteng yil tendi winyale ha marma wadasna kami yayile kari khasi kari balakha kari balapunda ime ipa laban heaven sai yana te kari khasi balati baros te o ori rilom lisan hangna balapunda kayana ya kari khasi ilang te blabla ya baros shitlo jam kaparte jongi ori khasi ri jonga kari ba kari baswa bali nasib bali lasa ya kari khasi kapatan
Rapper, so consumed by all this hurt. If you ask me, don't know where to start. And love and fear, both ignore. you take the wheel? If I lose control, if I'm lying here, will you take me home? Can you take care of a broken soul? Will you hold me down? Or will you take me home? Or will you take me home? Or will you take me home?
So could you be loved, oh, now, and be loved? Could you be loved, oh yeah, and be loved? Don't let them fool you, yeah. Oh no. Or even try to school you, yeah. Oh yeah. I've got the life of my own, so go to hell if you're thinking that it's not right. Love will never leave us alone, so in the darkness so you must come out to light. Could you be loved? Oh, now, right be loved. Could you be loved? Oh, yeah, right be loved. The road of life is rocky, and you may stumble too. So while you point the finger, someone else is judging you. Could you be love? Could you be love? Could you be love?